Why does your scanner show the P0071 engine code? What does it mean? P0071 is a diagnostic trouble code for Ambient Air Temperature Sensor Circuit A range or performance. It indicates the PCM detects an inconsistency between the ambient air temperature sensor's input and the intake air and engine coolant temperature sensors. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failing ambient air temperature sensor. Wiring issues. PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.